In this video, we're answering a very simple question. Can you use X, formerly Twitter, Space's voice transformation feature on a PC? The short answer is no, you cannot use X or Twitter's native voice transformer feature on a PC. This feature is exclusive to the mobile app. So if you were trying to find it inside the desktop version of X, you're not missing a hidden setting because it is simply not available there. If you've been searching through the web version of X on your computer and wondering why the voice transformation options are not showing up, that's because this feature is designed for the mobile experience only. On desktop, you may be able to join spaces, listen, and interact in other ways, but the native voice transformation tool is not supported on PC. So if your goal is to use voice transformation in an X space, you will need to open the X app on your phone instead. That is the only place where the feature is available at the moment. If X changes this in the future, the availability could be different, but for now, PC users cannot use it natively. If this quick answer saved you some time, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. I try to keep these videos short, clear, and straight to the point so you can get the answer fast without any confusion. So once again, the final answer is no, you cannot use x.com or Twitter Spaces voice transformation feature on a PC. It is mobile app only. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.